Hi friends, I just received my new PTZ security camera. It comes with instructions for installing it and using the app. This is a helper to do the drilling and everything you need to install it. Let me tell you that this is a full high definition 1080 DP camera. As you can see, you can hook it to your security or monitoring system. You get the camera, you get these light panels. You can fix it however you want. Okay, great. You get everything you need, the cables and the wall panel. Okay, you even get a micro SD card because the camera can save or record what it's going on without having to be connected. So here is the SD camera slot, okay? So, well, this is a great accessory for your protection, your home, your office, your business, whatever. Let's try it. As you can see, we're going to test it here. You can move the camera around with the app to the left or to the right, so you can see exactly what you want to see, and you can see how clear it is. And you can turn the lights on. Perfect. So you can see how the person that is seated in the table, you can see her with the lights. And it has different options as like an alarm option. So you can deter any person or animal that you don't want in your patio or wherever you install it, okay? As you can see, friends, the image definition is great. It's a full HD quality video, and you can follow the animal, the person, the car, whatever you are tracking with the camera. We think it's a great security system, and we really recommend this camera. Thank you.